Okay. Hello, everyone. So, we're going to start a new course. This course is about turtle graphics. And we'll be learning with flowcharts, Blockly, and Python. For our first lesson, we'll draw a circle. To start, please open the editor. The editor might be on your desktop. There. So, this is the editor. This button, the gear button, is what you use to change themes. I prefer the dark theme for better visibility, right? Next, we need to open a folder, which is a directory to store our working files. Each programming section will have a main working directory, so we'll select that. You can create a folder on drive D. It's usually better to create it on drive D to avoid errors. Or you can create a folder within Documents. That's fine too. Okay, so I'll create it in the Documents folder. Let's just use that. This is for those who don't have a D drive. All right. Right-click here, New, Folder. Then we'll name it. You can name it anything. I'll name it Lesson 1 or what? I'll just name it Code. Okay. Click. Select Folder. We'll choose the Code folder inside the Documents directory, and it will appear here. Once the folder is there, you can check it in File Explorer. It's located in the folder we just created, inside Documents, the Code folder here. And now, we'll need to create a file to store our programming information in here. So, for our file, we'll create a new file. Here, there are 3 buttons: New File, Open Folder, and New Folder. New Folder is for creating a subfolder within the directory we just selected. And New File is for creating a file. So, we'll create a file now. For the first lesson, for example, it's the circle lesson. I'll number it as 1_circle.bb, okay? Blockly. BB stands for Blockly. Pay attention, the file extension is very important. .bb, so it recognizes what we're programming with. When we create it and click on it, it will recognize the programming language we're using, and will bring up the correct editor for us. If you click on File Explorer again, you'll see the .bb file that was just created inside the Code folder, which is in your Documents. So, in this lesson, we'll start with an overview of Blockly. Blockly has modules with various blocks here that you can drag and drop to program. Everything is right here. You'll learn the details later. For now, let's dive straight into turtle graphics. So, click on Turtle, Motion. And to draw a circle, we just need to drag the circle block in. After that, we just need to press the Run button, this Play button, the Run button. You run it. And it automatically runs the Python turtle graphic, which draws a circle for us. So here, once it's run, we close it. Below this, there's a black window that appears, which is what they call the terminal. We can turn it off here, turn it on here, turn it off here. Alright, so that was programming with Blockly. You can check that it creates a.py file, which is a Python file. This is actually the file that runs. The program file is generated automatically for execution. So it's Python. The commands are here. To understand this thoroughly, we'll also learn about flowcharts. So, here we'll select New File. For flowcharts, you'll also name it correctly, 1_circle BF. BF is the abbreviation for flowchart. PY is Python. Okay. We'll select this .bif file, and you'll see what's different. This is the flowchart for us to program. Okay. Flowcharts clearly show you step by step what the program does. For example, let's say we draw a circle. So here, we'll use a project block. Then we'll connect it. When we press Start, the program will run to this project block, so we need to connect it. So, after pressing Start, it will jump to the project block. We'll change what this project block is. For example, we'll call it Circle. You have to type this out. Type circle with opening and closing parentheses first. Then drag the arrow back between the parentheses so you don't forget, and then type in the radius of the circle. And we run it. You see, it runs and then disappears, it runs and then closes immediately. So, this flowchart is very clear, step by step. You need to add one more step to keep your software window open. On the screen on the desktop. So we'll need another project block. That's the second step. We connect it so that after drawing the circle, we need to keep the screen running so we can see it. So here, we'll have the command exit and click. People often use this command with Turtle graphics programs. You'll use it here. So, starting the main program with Start, it will immediately run circle 50 and then pause, waiting for the user to click before exiting. Here we'll run it. It will wait for the user to click before exiting. So this flowchart also automatically creates a Python file when we run it, and it overwrites the existing Python file. Here. You'll see it's different. We won't worry about that. Here, we can write Python from scratch. For example, we can program entirely with Python without needing flowcharts or Blockly. And you must remember that. So, I'll increase the font size a bit so you can see it better. For Python programming, the editor software here supports what they call pre-made templates, ready-to-use templates that we can drag in. For example, if we're going to use Turtle graphics, what do we need? We need import. Drag it in. When you drag it in, it will give you the full Turtle setup with the import line at the beginning and a main loop at the end to keep the running screen always on the window on the desktop. And the command we need to write, we'll put it in the middle. Here, we're using circle. So, you can drag the circle block in here. It's very simple. So, we click in the middle, type in the radius, and it's done. Alright, run. Okay. There. So, for those of you who aren't familiar with Python yet, you can use the menu for assistance. But if you're already proficient, you can just type directly without needing it. So, if you're proficient, you can turn that off and just write from scratch. So, from Turtle import asterisk. Shift plus the number 8, holding Shift and 8, that's the asterisk. This line means, from the Turtle library, the Turtle graphics library, import means to bring in. The asterisk means to import all the commands we need, to bring in all commands available in this module. And the next line, we'll write exit and click, right? We'll go up and use this command in the middle, circle. Remember to type it out. open parenthesis. It automatically closes it. Just leave it like that and type in the radius, then run. Okay. So, that concludes today's lesson. We just learned about flowcharts. Flowcharts will clearly show you the steps that the program will execute. Or people can program using Blockly. Blockly is very popular in software for children, like Scratch. And for those of you who become proficient, you'll program directly by typing commands on the keyboard using Python or other languages. Okay, thank you, everyone.